Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make some sugar scrub slime. This is a crunchy slime made with Maddie Ray's chip beads. I thought that I would show you guys how I like to make my crunchy slimes with minimal to no bead fallout. So I like to start with any clear glue. Any clear glue will do. I just happen to have these Amazon glues on hand, so I'm going to put 2 of those into my container. That's about 10 ounces of glue right there. Now I'm going to add the chip beads, and you can add these after, but I thought that I would try to add them before I activate, just to see how the result varies. So I put in some coloring, I dumped in some glitter. Now I'm going to mix that all up. Once mixed, you can start activating. I'm going to start adding my activator, and for crunchy fishbowl type slimes, I like to use an activator of half a teaspoon of borax dissolved in 1 cup of warm water. You want to mix all the borax powder in so that it's completely dissolved in the water before you start adding it to your slimes. The reason I like to use a little diluted version of activator is I feel like it helps keep the beads in. When you use a stronger activator, the slime just becomes more tough and smooth, and that just contributes to bead fallout, in my opinion. I am by no means an expert at crunchy slimes. Crunchy slimes are not my thing. I'm more of a snow slime, expanding snow slime, snow wonder slime kind of slime maker, so I'm popular with jelly slimes, icy slimes, cloud creams, those type of textures. But from my experience, what I've learned in making crunchy slimes, I feel like if you use an activator that is not as strong, it just helps keep the beads in. So if you know anything about crunchy slimes, set me straight. Let me know in the comments section. Am I right? Does that work for you? What tips and tricks do you have to help keep the beads in the slime and not falling out all over the place? I'm super curious to find out what you guys say. So you just want to activate until your slime is almost completely not sticky, but you want it to be a little sticky. If you overactivate your slime, all the beads are going to fall everywhere. Your slime needs to remain a little bit on the sticky side to hold all the beads into your slime. So this is after a few days, and I'm very, very happy with the bubble pops. I'm happy with the texture. When you play with it a lot, it completely fluffs up like crazy, but I've noticed hardly any bead fallout. There's no bead fallout in this video footage, but I do have some video clips where 1 or 2 did pop out still, even though the slime was a little sticky. I do recommend not using any foam soap or any type of soap product, because I feel like when I do that for crunchy slimes, that the beads fall out way more. So I don't know if there's a scientific base behind that. That's just my own experience. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful to you. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel. I do have a giveaway going on right now. I will have the link down below for the video that talks about the giveaway, and I guess I will just see you in my next video. Thank you guys. Love you.